Today we will discuss about what is the volcanoes and how it erupt. First, we will see that what is volcanoes and what is the mechanism behind the eruption of volcanoes. So listen carefully. Our today's topic is what? Volcanoes. Volcanoes. In today's topic, we will discuss about what is volcanoes, what is volcanoes, what is volcanoes, and the second topic that we will cover today, what is the mechanism, what is the mechanism behind the eruption of volcanoes. The third topic that we will cover today, how the volcanoes originated. So these are the topics that we will cover today. The first topic, that is what is volcano. So listen me carefully everyone and silent. This is what, this is internal structure of the earth. This is internal structure of the earth. Now in the internal structure there are three layers. How many layers? Three layers. First, second and third. The first is what? First is crust, and second is what? Mantle, and third is what? Core. Everyone know that the crust, and that is starting from 0 kilometer. Understand? And go up to 400 kilometers. 400 kilometers. And from 400 kilometers to 2900 kilometers, up to 2900 kilometers, this is a extension of mantle. And from the 2900 kilometers up to 6371 kilometers, this is the center of the earth. What? Center of the earth. If I talk about, this is the earth, and this is the center of the earth. So from 0 to 6371 kilometers, this is the radius of the earth. If you go from 0 kilometer to 6,371 kilometer inside the earth, so you will reach at the center point of the earth. Moreover, crust that have two parts, two there are two sub layers inside the crust. The first is what? Upper crust, and second is what? Lower crust. There are two sub layers inside the crust. If I talk about the mantle, so mantle has also two sub layers. The first is what? Upper mantle, and second is what? Lower mantle. And now similarly in core there are two sub layers. In core there are two sub layers, two sub layers. The first is what? First is outer core, and second is what? Inner core. Inner core. Now you have studied well that there are three forms of any matter. And what is the three form? What are these three forms? Solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. So if I see the form of upper crust, so this is what? In solid. Solid in nature, solid in form. But lower crust and upper mantle, this is in liquid. Liquid. If I see this lower mantle, you can see an outer core. So this is a semi-solid. What? Semi-solid. What is a semi-solid? What is semi-solid? What is semi-solid? Have you ever eat the jelly toffee? jelly toffee खाया है? jelly जो टॉफी आती है, this toffee is not a pure solid, not pure liquid. So what is this? This is a synthesis of solid and liquid. Understand? So here also, this portion of internal structure, internal earth, is semi-solid. And if I talk about inner core, so inner core is pure solid. Pure solid. Pure solid. Now we will see right now that what is the reason behind that this part is a liquid. Why liquid this part? Why this part of internal earth is liquid? Listen carefully. Next page. So this is earth, and from 0 kilometer to 671 kilometer, and this part from 200 kilometers. From 200 kilometers, listen carefully, थोड़ा सा बड़ा बना देते हैं, ठीक, समझ में आ जाए. This is what 0 up to 6,371 kilometers. This is a, and 400 kilometers. From 0 to 400 kilometers is a what? Crust. If I see from 0 to 200 kilometers, so this is what? Asthenosphere. And from 200 to 400 kilometers, this is what we call it? I'm sorry, no. This is it, asthenosphere. This is asthenosphere. Oh, sorry. This is lithosphere. Yes. This is lithosphere and this is asthenosphere. This from 0 to 200 kilometers is lithosphere. This is what? Lithosphere, and this is what? Asthenosphere. So lithosphere in its solid form, but asthenosphere in liquid form. So we will understand here that why asthenosphere in its liquid form. Why? Listen me carefully, everyone. Asthenosphere in this part, and this is a part of internal earth and known as asthenosphere. In this part, the radioactive substance are fine. Radioactive substance. In this portion of the earth, the radioactive substance are available. And what is the radioactive substance? What is the radioactive substance? Just like uranium, thorium, and more. वो ऑफ कर दो, लाइट ऑफ करो, इसमें आ रहा है, लाइट ऑफ कर दो. Radioactive substance. The radioactive substance are found in this part of the earth. Radioactive substance, wet radioactive substance discharge. So it creates huge amount of energy. When radioactive substance discharge, creates huge amount of energy, and this energy, I mean you can say heat, what heat, and this heat is the very much responsible for the melting the metals, or you can say minerals, I mean lava, magma, understand? And this responsible for the melt the magma, and that are available in this part. Next, so we have seen that the asthenosphere in its liquid form. And why liquid form? Asthenosphere in its liquid form. And why liquid form? Because here the generation of huge amount of energy. The question is that what is the source of this energy? What is the source of this energy that melts the magma, that melts the metals which are available in this portion? Liquid form. Why liquid form? Why? Because creation of, we can say availability of huge amount of energy, huge amount of energy, and this huge amount of energy, what is the source of this huge amount of energy? There are two sources. The first is what? Availability of radioactive substance that discharge and create huge amount of energy. Then metals go to in its liquid form. And the second is what? Reason? Pressure force. What force? Pressure force. Pressure force. What is the pressure force? This is Earth. Now here buildings, house, industries, plants, trees. Understand? And it's have very big mass. This is very massive. Understand? Massive. And it pressed inside part. And inside part is what? Asthenosphere. When it press this, so this asthenosphere part go to in liquid form. You know, pressure create energy, heat. You know everyone that pressure create what? Heat. Pressure create heat, and not so high pressure here, so it's create large amount of heat, and these large amount of heat is responsible for the melting form, I mean liquid form of metals in astronosphere. तो अब लंच होने वाला, अब इस टॉपिक को हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. ठीक, समझ में आ गया सबको? वेरी गुड. ठीक है, बंद करो.